BOSCH PRO GST 150 CE Jigsaw Review. Consistent power and precision for heavy-duty cuts. The BOSCH PRO GST 150 CE Jigsaw is a professional-grade corded jigsaw built for demanding, high-precision cutting. In simple terms, it's a powerful 780-watt saw designed to cut thick wood, metal, and plastic smoothly and accurately. What makes it stand out is its constant electronic system, which keeps the blade speed steady even when the material gets tough. That means fewer stalls, fewer rough edges, and more control in your hands. Whether you're trimming beams, shaping countertops, or making angled bevel cuts, this tool fits naturally into serious workshop and job site routines. It feels solid, balanced, and purpose-built for heavy use. Imagine never feeling your saw slow down mid-cut again. The biggest advantage is consistent cutting power. The 780-watt motor, combined with constant electronic technology, keeps the stroke rate steady from 500 to 3,100 strokes per minute, even under load. That translates to smoother finishes and less rework. Second, the 4-stage pendulum action gives you flexibility. Set it low for fine, clean metal cuts. Turn it up for aggressive, fast wood cutting up to 150 millimeters thick. One tool, multiple cutting styles. Here is where it gets interesting. The die-cast aluminum baseplate adds rigidity, reducing flex and improving accuracy, especially on bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. Tool-free SDS blade changes save real time on busy days. The dust extraction port keeps your line visible and workspace cleaner. Less vibration means less fatigue during long sessions. Which benefit matters most in your daily work? Picture cutting through a 100mm oak beam with a standard jigsaw. The blade slows, the motor strains, you push harder than you should. Now, switch to the BOSCH PRO GST 150 CE Jigsaw. The moment you pull the trigger, the stroke rate stays consistent. No hesitation, no bogging down. That turning point is obvious halfway through the cut. A contractor shared that after replacing a lighter-duty saw, his crew immediately noticed smoother performance in plywood and PVC. Even during bevel adjustments, the base plate stayed firm and precise. At first, some hesitated because of the 2.6 kilogram weight. Fair concern. But that added mass actually improved stability on thicker materials. The result feels controlled and deliberate, rather than shaky or rushed. After testing a few options, one thing became clear. Don't just pick any corded jigsaw. Make sure it has constant electronic speed control, so you never waste your time on blades slowing down in thick hardwood again. Independent testing backs this up. Stiftung Warentest awarded it a good 1.7 rating, highlighting very good cutting performance in wood and steel, along with strong precision. Professionals consistently describe it as powerful and stable. One carpenter called it a masterpiece of engineering for handling laminated beams without stutter. A site foreman reported universal positive feedback from his crew when cutting subfloors and conduit. Technically, the 26mm stroke length and 780-watt motor explain that torque advantage. The robust aluminum baseplate improves rigidity compared to lighter stamped alternatives. Which result matters most to you? 1. Power. 2. Precision. 3. Durability. The value here is not hype. It is repeatable, measurable performance under real job site conditions. The BOSCH PRO GST 150 CE Jigsaw delivers steady power, deep cutting capacity, and job site ready durability in one reliable package. Thousands of professionals already rely on it daily for clean, controlled results. If consistent performance under load matters to you, it only takes a few seconds to see if this tool fits your workflow. Check the link in the description and pinned comment. You deserve equipment that keeps up with your standards.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.